Hello and welcome to another special mini course from the Center for Teaching Excellence. We're going to continue our journey into building soft skills. For today's course, we're going to talk about how to build teamwork in your students. Tip number 1, wait. Many instructors are tempted to assign their students to a group as soon as the semester starts, but be sure to give a little bit of time to get to know your students and to get to find out what their strengths and weaknesses are. As you find out who excels in what areas, you can build your teams based on those skills rather than just saying student A, B, and C are all together. They might not have skills that match up. Take the time to figure out who fits well together. Tip number 2, model. Many instructors put students into group work not realizing that they may have not had a great group work experience in the past, and they may have learned improper ways of working in a team. Well, something you can do is model for your students what you expect of them, how you would like them to work in a group. So get a group of your peers together and host a roundtable discussion. Work on some sort of concept or idea that you'd expect your students to work on and model for them how they would solve their issue. Tip 3, monitor group progress. Meet often with the students in your groups. Be sure to discuss with them where they're having difficulties, what students might be having problems, and then discuss with them how they can improve, what they can do to be a better team member, and how they can help out their group. Tip 4, avoid the term group. Now, I know I've used the term group work in this mini course, but I want you to avoid using that word. Let's try to use some words like teamwork, team building, and team assignment, because these are words that have a positive connotation to them. Group work, a lot of students already think of group work from their experiences in high school or in other courses, and they think of it negatively. So let's give them a chance to come in with a positive attitude before they get into the assignment, and that way they're not thinking of their previous experience with high school group work. Tip 5, partner with a nonprofit. Students find more value when they're working toward a real goal. If you give the students a project where they're working for a real client and they have to work together as a team for the client and the client's depending on them, they're more likely to follow through with the required assignment. Additionally, it gives them another line on their resume and something else they can talk about if they're applying for a job. We hope these tips help out. If you have any questions or concerns about team building with your students, feel free to come by the Center for Teaching Excellence. We're more than willing to help you work on your teamwork and be part of your team.